For a second day, we saw some strong wind gusts through the DMV, caused damage in several neighborhoods, and it didn't spare Montgomery County, where multiple trees and power lines came down. DC News Now's Kevon Dupree covers Montgomery County for us. He spoke with a woman who's got quite a mess on her hands.
Rosalba Bonilla lives on Glenside Drive in Takoma Park. She says she was in her living room Monday when she heard a loud noise outside. She went to go look and saw that a large tree had nearly fallen on her home.
It was a really scary experience.
Rosalba Bonilla says she's been feeling extremely anxious over the last 24 hours. That's because strong winds Monday caused a large tree behind her backyard fence to fall toward her home.
I looked up and I saw the tree just leaning on my house, holding by another tree. So I got into a little bit of panic.
The tree didn't fall on Bonilla's home, but it still damaged the roof and other parts of her property.
Heavy branches which damaged my fence. There was a lot of branches all over the backyard. I couldn't leave open the doors from the lower level because they were all blocked.
Bonilla says she's had a hard time trying to figure out what can be done about the leaning tree.
I had reached out to Takoma Park, where I'm live, and they say that it's not their responsibility. Montgomery County tells me it's not in their responsibility, so it's the state's Parks and Planning, and the state's Parks and Planning is telling me, yeah, but it will take 30 to 45 days.
Bonilla doesn't think the tree will hold that long. She worries that if something isn't done soon, it will come crashing down. She's now planning to take matters into her own hands.
First of all, for me, it's the safety of my house. I'm going to have somebody come and see what they can do, and then I will have to figure out who will be responsible for this tree that is not in my property.
In Takoma Park, Kevon Dupree, DC News Now.